everyone, my name is Joshua Archie Tenorio. For our presentation, we choose El Nido, Palawan, one of the most beautiful tourist place in the Philippines. El Nido is found at the northern part of Palawan. It is known for its white sand beaches, clear blue water, tall limestone cliffs, and rich marine life. Before it became famous, El Nido was a quiet town where people lived mainly by fishing and farming. As the years passed, it became a well-known tourist spot, but it still keeps its natural beauty and peaceful environment. Tourism in El Nido has grown very fast. In 2023, around 500,000 tourists visited the area. Some of the most popular attractions are the Big Lagoon, Small Lagoon, Secret Beach, Nakpan Beach, and Bakpet Bay. Many visitors enjoy island hopping, snorkeling, diving, and kayaking to explore this beautiful place. Tourism also helps the local people. Many residents work as tour guide, boatmen, resort staff, and restaurant workers. Others earn money by having souvenir shop, homestay, or small food business. This shows that tourism is very important to the local economy and encourage everyone to protect the environment.
Tourism in El Nido has changed the daily life of local residents. Many people now earn in tourism as tour guides, boatmen, resort staff, or small business owners. This has improved their income and overall quality of life. Because of more job opportunities, some people from nearby towns move to El Nido to work. The community has also become more open to different cultures because they meet tourists from around the world. However, the peace environment can sometimes affect traditional values and the peaceful lifestyle of the locals. Public services like transportation, waste management, and health centers have improved due to the growing number of visitors. But they can also become crowded during peak seasons. Overall, tourism brings both positive and challenging changes to the community.
Benefits to local businesses, employment, and infrastructure in El Nido, Palawan. Tourism has greatly boosted the local economy in El Nido. Restaurants, tour operators, transport services, accommodations, souvenir shops, and diving centers earn more due to the steady arrival of tourists. This encourages small businesses and family-run shops to grow. Tourism also creates many jobs for locals, such as tour guides, boat crews, hotel staff, drivers, cooks, and vendors. It supports indirect jobs in constructions, repairs, retail, and local farming that supplies resorts and restaurants. Infrastructure has also improved. Better roads, transport services, electricity, water systems, and communication facilities have been developed to support both local and tourists. Investment in ports, lodging, and ecotourism facilities help improve living conditions and economic opportunities. Issues: income inequality, dependence on tourism, and job seasonality. Despite despite these benefits, El Nido faces challenges. Income inequality exists because big resorts and investors earn more, while many small businesses and workers receive low wages. The town is also highly dependent on tourism, making the economy vulnerable to disasters, global crises, and travel restrictions. A drop in tourist arrivals can severely affect local businesses. Many jobs in El Nido are seasonal, offering steady income only during peak months. During off-seasons, workers face reduced hours or temporary unemployment, leading to unstable earnings.
Environmental impacts in El Nido, Palawan. Tourism in El Nido, Palawan has both positive and negative effect on the environment. On the positive side, programs like beach cleanups, marine conservation projects, and eco-friendly resort help to protect the island, coral reefs, and marine life. This effort makes sure the natural beauty of El Nido is preserved for both locals and visitors. However, tourism also brings challenges. The large number of visitors leads to more trash, water pollution, and damage to the coral reefs from snorkeling, boating, and other activities. Crowded beaches and natural areas can also harm plants and wildlife. To address these problems, sustainable tourism is very important. This includes rules to protect wildlife, proper waste management, limiting the number of tourists in sensitive areas, and teaching visitors how to care for the environment. With this measure, El Nido can remain healthy and beautiful destination for the future generation.
Cultural impacts. Tourism has affected the culture of El Nido in both good and bad ways. On positive side, it helps preserve local tradition, festival, and crafts because tourists are interested in seeing and buying them. Some cultural practices are shared with visitors which bring pride to the community and helps keep their heritage alive. On the negative side, some traditions are changed or packed to appeal tourists, which can make them lose their original meaning. Local culture may be influenced outside ideas, and some authentic practices slowly disappears. Overall, tourism raises awareness of El Nido's unique culture, but it is important to protect and maintain the true identity and tradition of the community.